Is it safe to use naphthalene balls to repel pests despite the strong odor?
Hey there, welcome to our video discussion on whether it's safe to use naphthalene balls to repel pests despite the strong odor. Naphthalene balls are commonly used as a pest repellent due to their effectiveness in deterring insects and other pests. However, concerns have been raised regarding their safety, particularly because of the strong odor they emit. Let's delve deeper into this topic to understand the potential risks and benefits.
What are naphthalene balls?
Naphthalene balls are small white spheres made from naphthalene, a chemical compound derived from coal tar or petroleum. These balls have a distinctive, pungent odor that repels pests such as moths, cockroaches, and silverfish. Naphthalene works by sublimating, meaning it transitions from a solid to a gas without melting, and this gas is what deters pests from infesting the area.
Potential risks of naphthalene exposure.
Naphthalene exposure can pose certain risks to human health, especially if used improperly or in excessive amounts. The strong odor of naphthalene balls indicates the release of the chemical gas, which can be inhaled or absorbed through the skin. Prolonged or repeated exposure to high concentrations of naphthalene can cause several health issues, including 1. Respiratory problems. Breathing in naphthalene gas can irritate the respiratory system, leading to coughing, wheezing, and shortness of breath. People with pre-existing respiratory conditions may be more sensitive to these effects. 2. Skin irritation. Direct contact with naphthalene balls can cause skin irritation, redness, and itching. Some individuals may develop an allergic reaction to naphthalene, resulting in more severe skin symptoms. 3. Eye irritation. Contact with naphthalene can cause eye irritation, leading to redness, watering, and discomfort. It's important to avoid direct eye contact with naphthalene balls and wash your eyes thoroughly if accidental exposure occurs. 4. Potential toxicity. In high concentrations or with prolonged exposure, naphthalene can be toxic to humans. It may damage the liver, kidneys, and blood cells. However, it's important to note that these toxic effects are generally associated with industrial exposure or ingestion of large amounts of naphthalene, rather than normal household use.
Safe usage of naphthalene balls.
While naphthalene balls can be effective in repelling pests, it's crucial to use them safely to minimize potential risks. Here are some guidelines for safe usage. 1. Ventilation. Ensure proper ventilation in the area where you place naphthalene balls. Good airflow helps to dissipate the gas and reduce the concentration of naphthalene in the air. 2. Limited exposure. Limit your exposure to naphthalene gas by avoiding direct inhalation or prolonged contact with the balls. If you're using them in enclosed spaces, consider placing them where they're less likely to be disturbed or in areas where you spend less time. 3. Keep away from children and pets. Naphthalene balls should be stored out of reach of children and pets. Accidental ingestion of naphthalene can be dangerous, so it's important to use appropriate precautions. 4. Follow instructions. Always read and follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer. They may provide specific guidance on safe usage, including the recommended quantity and precautions to take. In conclusion, while naphthalene balls can be